Hi everyone, today I am going to play Build a Boat for Treasure. Now let's get start building a boat. Let's build the easiest boat. Okay, we have a balloon cause. Ike what to put law. Here we go. I am a Salmy of his leg. Well, that was fast lol. So now I am going to build a normal boat. Okay, now I am going to launch. Let's go. Oof. Okay, Ike what to do? I will build a flying boat. Watch this. Okay, this time we got to do it. I believe I can fly. We did it. Let's go to get our treasure. What? BTW, thanks for watching this vid. Hot sub and like, bye.